Thanks for joining us on this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're in the showroom and we're going to talk about vanities. We probably have more people come in here either looking for vanities or shower systems like shower faucets, but vanities kind of where everybody usually starts with a reno or thinks they should start with a reno. And what they've did even in the last 5 years with vanities is amazing because there's such a demand for different vanities, and the old traditional, 48 with 6 drawers and 2 doors in the middle is kind of non-existent anymore. We still do a lot of them, but people are looking for things a little bit more unique now. So here's one that we've been waiting for a very long time. So this is actually a 48-inch vanity with a double bowl. Traditionally, it used to be 60 inches or less, 60 inches or more for a double bowl, but now they have this one, which is a great little unique idea. So a smaller space, you have a 48-inch opening. You can now have two, a his and a hers sink, or his and hers and the kids sink, and it's kind of a unique idea. The other thing they're doing now too, as opposed to having the drawers down both sides with the 2 doors in the middle, what they're doing now is you're getting these drawers and they're a little bit smaller width-wise, so your plumbing can still fit in the middle, but it looks a lot different. So it has nice graining to it. The graining goes right through the actual doors, which is very unique. This is a fixed panel here with just a nice white top on it. And as you can see, lots of storage for both. So, if you're using this sink, you'd probably put all your items in this one, and if you're using this one, you do the opposite. So quite a nice idea, very unique. I think it's going to be an extremely big seller. Over into this vanity here, again, this is decor. So this is our kitchen company, and we're starting to use them a lot for vanities now too. But again, just very unique. So these are a flat panel door, so there's 6 drawers on the side, but you can see it has some knotting going through it. Then you have the 2 shaker doors in the middle, and then you have 3 drawers over here as well, which is quite nice and very unique. So again, just very classy, very subtle, but something different. Over here, this is another one. This is another supplier of ours, AHM. But very creative. Instead of having the drawers on the one side, now what you have is, again, you have the cutout in the middle for your plumbing. So you just have to make sure your plumbing comes from the floor and the wall, and it's in the center of the vanity. But again, you get lots of storage around here, and then a full drawer on the bottom. So again, just very unique, very nice. Not large handles on this one as well. But you can see they're really changing them up. They're becoming a lot more unique, and which I think is a great idea. So we'll come back next week and we're just going to talk about shower systems.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen Bath Centre. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.